we know that these three relations, that is first one cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. If you want the proof of this one, then you can check the previous video lessons. Okay, then you can see the proof. The same way sin negative theta is equal to negative sin theta, that proof also available. You can check the previous video lesson. Then cos negative theta is equal to cos theta, that proof also there. Okay. Then next we can go to cos x minus y. Then cos x minus y, we can write it as cos x plus negative y. We know positive of negative, that is negative. Okay. Or positive times negative, we know that is which one? Negative. Okay. Or addition of which one? Negative. Then we can take that result is which one? Minus. Okay. Then we arranged like this. Now we can apply the format cos x plus y format. We can apply here. Then we will get like this: cos x cos negative y minus sin x sin negative y. This part we applied here. Okay. Then we know cos negative y, that is cos negative theta cos theta. That means cos negative y means cos y. Then we another part sin negative theta, we know that is negative sin theta. That instead of this sin negative y, we can write it as negative sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x times this part because negative sin y. Then we can multiply negative times negative. We know it becomes which are positive. That means we can write it as cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay. Then now we got cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. That is the required result. That is cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Is only the here in this case, if here addition, here the use the operation subtraction. Here subtraction, here use the operation addition. That is the opposite. Just change the operation. Then we will get the required result. Okay. Thank you.